This is Balboa Park in San Diego. Last night I had a chance to go to see Romeo and Juliet with my friend. It was very pleasant. This is just one of the best, nicest places in the whole world to be, Balboa Park. There's my friend in the corner. We're taking pictures because it's just beautiful here at the reflecting pool. For those of you who have not been to San Diego, it's a subtropical climate, so we have the palm trees, and things grow here so beautifully. You just kind of have to think about growing something and you have it. Here's a very lovely pollinator garden. It's a little early, being around 9 o'clock, for the butterflies to come out. But of course there's plenty that do love this area. This is supported by the public. Right here we have some milkweed in the hopes of helping our special friends, monarch butterflies. And I'm sure that all butterflies just love it here. There's some more milkweed. My friend Janet, who lives north of here in Los Angeles area, has a very nice pollinator garden and is helping out the monarchs big time. So this is a wonderful place to visit. And I'm very, very happy to be able to be here. In the background you can hear an organ. There's a grand organ center where you could go and hear somebody play marvelous music. This particular exhibition that I'm walking toward, it's been here maybe 100 years, I don't know. It was a world exposition here in San Diego. Oh no, that's the Japanese garden music. There's our koi in the koi pond. And here is a water lily, reminiscent, of course, of our friend Claude Monet. This is a really pleasant way to spend a Sunday morning, and I'm very grateful to have this chance. And if you ever have a chance to come to San Diego, you have to come here to Balboa Park.